I don't know about you, but ever since quarantine started, I have upped my homemaking game and I have become a chronic cleaner. I am somebody who has gone beyond the regular, like, let's just dust, and I'm starting to dabble in like the deep cleaning stuff that I haven't done in a long time. And that includes trying some new things and following some new Instagram accounts to gain some cleaning inspiration. I can't be the only one, right? Well, today I am sharing just a brief little video about my first major new cleaning experience, and that is laundry stripping. I just heard about this on Instagram, and the second I saw it, I knew I had to try it for myself. The concept of laundry stripping is deep soaking specific genres of clothing for an extended period of time, roughly 4 to 6 hours, in a special blend of Arm & Hammer washing soda, borax, and Tide powder. I had no idea that Tide powder was such a hot commodity and something that was so versatile. I just thought it was powdered laundry detergent. I don't know, I haven't used powdered laundry detergent in years. Well, it turns out that this combination of products has the ability to draw out impurities from your clothing that you had no idea were still living in your clothes. I'm talking clean clothing here, my friends, clean clothing. So what I did was I decided I wanted to experiment in 2 separate batches. I wanted to try, first and foremost, to strip clean my husband's undershirts. Anybody who's married knows that those undershirts get gross, like real gross. And it's not that they're not clean. I wash them all the time, but just over time, the grossness kind of piles up and packs in, and even those bright white shirts, no matter how often you clean them, start to get dingy and blah and just ugh. Ugh. Am I right, ladies? So I knew that my husband's undershirts were going to be mission number 1, and then mission number 2 are my workout pants. I own a ton of workout pants that, again, I clean after every use, but that doesn't mean that there's not additional dirt, bacteria, and Lord only knows what else in there. So I decided to do 2 rounds of laundry stripping, undershirts and gym pants, and I am here to show you the results. Now, I don't have all of the thorough information about what to do and what not to do for you guys in terms of what you can strip and what you can't, and I am not yet a cleaning guru. I am somebody who's just starting to take the deep dive into the more intense homemaking content sharing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up a couple different articles for you and leave some more thorough places for you to get information down below. My favorite place to get cleaning information as of right now is the Instagram account Go Clean Co. And this is where I also got the inspiration to do the laundry stripping experiment. So check out the information that I put in the box for you. Go and check out Go Clean Co.'s account. But for now, stay tuned because I'm going to share my laundry stripping experience with you. All right, here's the first round of stuff that's going to get stripped. These are my husband's clean, out of the wash, wash them separately, hot water, try and get as much grossness out of them as humanly possible, but they're still dingy and gross because they're men's undershirts. So like I said, these are clean, but can you tell, I know the lighting isn't great, but can you tell that they're still like, they're not pristine white. And there are some old ones in here that, like, I don't even know if I should show you. Like the the armpits are like crusty and weird. I haven't found one yet. So maybe he got rid of, oh no, here's one. Like, it's hard and crusty and weird, and I don't know how to get rid of it. And he says it doesn't bother him, but wouldn't that bother you? It would bother me, but men's undershirts are apparently like one of the top things to try stripping. So that is exactly what we're going to do. I am both very excited and very scared to see what kind of grossness comes out of these perfectly clean undershirts. Here are the 3 magical ingredients that you need to create this stripping formula. There is a 4th ingredient of a water softener, Calgon water laundry softener type thing, but this works supposedly completely without it. So your magic formula is Arm & Hammer washing soda. I didn't even know washing soda existed until this whole stripping your clothes thing appeared on the internet. But you need a 1/4 cup of this, a 1/4 cup of borax, and a generous scoop of Tide powder, which is also apparently gold because everybody's using it and it is used for a billion things. Oh my gosh, if you guys want to go down a rabbit hole, start following cleaning Instagrams. Not even joking. So this is the magic formula. I'm going to go ahead and use this bowl right here to mix it up, and then we will get started on the entire process. But like I said, quarter cup of soda, quarter cup of borax, generous scoop of Tide powder. So here we are after 6 hours. I don't think the water got too much darker after the first couple of hours, actually. So it's just kind of been sitting here in this grayish grossness. So now the question is, how the heck are we supposed to transfer this to the washing machine? And I think the answer is going to be, I'm going to wring them out one by one to the best of my ability, and I am just going to toss them into this hamper that has dirty towels in it in order to catch some of the water that will be remaining, and then these are going to get transferred immediately into the washing machine. Is that weird? Like, I wish it was darker and it got more grime, but we'll have to see how they come out after they're washed. Just started the washing machine. Washing things on hot, extra rinse, extra spin, all that jazz, longer soak, just to kind of get that final round happening. And I just put regular detergent in here. All right, here is the aftermath of the shirts. Are they perfectly white or anything? No, they're not. There are still some real dingy ones. But overall, I actually think they did brighten up a bit, which is kind of nice. And the best part, my husband was very worried about it hurting the fabric. Nothing is wrong with the fabric. The fabric feels completely fine, really, really soft, very clean. The ones that are newer, like these bad boys are shining bright. Bright like diamonds, man. But even some of the dingier ones, like this one's pretty dingy. I'm checking armpits now. Where's a good... Hang on, let me find a rough armpit one so we can figure out how that whole thing went down. All right, so as you can see, the armpit issue still stands, and this one actually softened up a lot though. So it's still kind of like that weird crusty armpit, but it's softened a lot. This one I might just throw away. I have one more thing I'm going to try. Somebody suggested to me to try soaking the armpits in lemon juice for a couple minutes and then washing them. So I'm going to do that now because I'm about to start a load of whites. So that'll be a last-ditch effort on some of these. But this one actually softened up quite a bit. This one might be too far gone. We'll see. Gracie coming in to check on me. Hello. And yeah, but all in all, things have brightened up quite a bit. Not too shabby. Today is day 2 of stripping clothes, and today I am stripping my gym pants. I'm also going, like, So everything is black except for this one pair of pants. I'm not too concerned about anything crazy happening to them. And then I'm going to strip these sports bras as well. These are so stinking old that it just doesn't matter. So I've seen people do this and like nothing terrible has happened. So I don't anticipate there being any issues. The biggest risk is me putting this in there. We'll see what happens. But with this, my goal is to get rid of whatever this is. I cannot tell you what it is, but this is how my gym pants have been coming out of the wash, and it's terrible. And I'm hoping that doing this stripping thing will help this situation happen. I don't know, or get better, rather. We'll see. All right, there it is. We're all set up. Gym clothes are in. The water looks a lot more powdery than yesterday. I don't know, but I'll be checking in as the hours progress to see the progress of the water and to stir it up, just like yesterday. All right, here it is, the final grossness. That color is not at all like the color I got yesterday. That is, ugh. All right, so we're gonna take all this out, put it in the washer, run the wash as normal, get them all dried. Most of my gym pants actually hang to dry, so it's gonna take a little bit longer, but we're gonna get this all done. Well, that's disgusting. Look, ew, the water is completely opaque. I don't know what all that is, but it's no longer in my gym pants. I can tell you that for sure. I just wanted to show you guys the aftermath of everything. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, the afternoon and evening lighting in my house is horrible for filming, but the colors have not been compromised at all in any of my gym pants. I have a lot of black and everything, and in the lens that I'm seeing, it doesn't look nearly as dark as it does in real life. I promise you that. This is a much deeper purple color, and this is actually pretty accurate. But there's no color fading to speak of. None. So it's not color that came out of those pants. It is something else entirely. The gross, dingy dirt and bacteria and heaven only knows what else monster is what came out of these. And I gotta tell you, these smell amazing now. Absolutely amazing. So it was a really fun little experiment. So there you go. That was my experience stripping laundry for the first time. Kind of gross, right? Like I said, those were all clean clothes that went into that bathtub, and the water turned revolting colors of not clean water. What can I say? Apparently humans are a little bit more disgusting than we thought we were, huh? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little cleaning experience of mine. I just wanted to share something new and exciting that I have never tried with you because I thought it would be fun, I thought it would be relevant content, and I thought it might be something that might encourage you to do the exact same. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, as that is very, very valuable feedback as to what kind of content I should continue to create on my channel. And if you haven't already joined the Diva and the Divine community, we would love to have you. Go ahead and click that little red subscribe button down there, and you will be a member of this wonderful, wonderful community that we have here on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye!